So happy morning everyone and welcome to day 16 of our magic book journey. And
Happy
today's
morning.
chapter, happy morning. And today's chapter is magic and miracles in health.
Morning.
How is everyone feeling? Yes, happy morning, Uma.
Happy morning, Vandana. All good.
Lovely.
All good.
So say I'm feeling on top of the world.
I'm feeling on top of the world.
Yes. Let's all say that and begin our day today. Yes, I want to hear from
On the
everyone.
top of the world.
Loudly, loudly, everyone together.
I'm feeling on the top of the world.
Lovely, lovely. And bring in feelings when you say that. You know, when you just got something which you wanted. And we all have healthy body and mind. Yes, no, who all feel that you have a healthy body and mind? Who all of
Yes,
Lov-
yes, yes.
Lovely. That was a good yes. Lovely. Awesome.
I'm always good.
Awesome. Awesome. Lovely. Lovely to hear that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so how was it? You must be feeling, and I was just thinking today morning that yesterday's chapter was about taking one difficult relationship, and we wrote on it, and today's chapter is about health. Beautiful. Why didn't we talk about health first and then the relationship? Even when we spoke on the first week, when we were reading the chapter, the third day was about relationship, and then it came to health. So this, what I felt was that whenever we talk about health, we talk about our physical health, the external health, the bodily health. But mental health comes first, then physical health. So now we start thinking because, let's understand this before we start today's chapter. So it's like, okay, we'll talk about it later on when we come to the chapter. So let's share what happened yesterday when we wrote for that one person who was a difficult person, because since we have written, I'm assuming that now the person is not difficult anymore in your life, and now at this moment of time when you're thinking about that person, you are not affected, as in your body and mind is not showing any changes. Yes, wants to share anything, you can unmute yourselves and you can start sharing. And for those of who are not sharing, you can please mute yourself. Yes.
I wrote about the person
Uh,
and I got message from that person wishing me
wow.
good luck.
Wow, that's so
I'm going to
nice.
start a new venture. So for that, a message came that best of luck for your venture.
Awesome, awesome. And you
Good.
said thank you to that person, you wished from all your heart.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. So you must be feeling really, really good.
Ah.
Awesome. And just be aware that the relations around you, the relationship with people around you will also change, so just be aware of it and be present to it, or you must have felt it, I don't know, you just have to figure it for yourself.
But actually, I just did for one person.
And that's okay, but the
And
chapter, yeah.
the both the difficult there were two relations which were difficult, and both
Yeah.
of them replied. I don't know how.
Oh wow, awesome. So what, how, because your feeling of gratitude was so powerful, and you have been practicing since so many days. So that
Huh.
is how things are changing, and it is you who started the circle. Remember, we only start the circle and it comes back to us in so many different ways. So now you will notice that other areas of your life also you will see magics appearing, because this exercise is really, really powerful. And I actually felt it for the first time yesterday when I took the most difficult person in my life yesterday, and today morning, even yesterday. So yesterday something really unusual happened. So I was searching for something else, and I thinking that so I was searching for something which I wanted to do today, and I thought it's there in that box. And when I took out that box, something else came, and what came were the old picture albums. And when we started looking at those albums, I could see that the picture of that person came. No, it was a very, very old picture. So otherwise, every time if I would have seen the picture or remembered about the person, or just that person used to come in front of me, I used to really feel and remember that incident which had happened with that person. And my body language used to change. But yesterday, when I sat down and wrote for that person, those 10 things, initially nothing was coming, and that particular incident was surfacing up every moment, and every word spoken in that incident was coming. But then, so something within me was stopping me from choosing this person all this while. And yesterday when I chose, I'm so thankful to the universe. So when I started writing, amazing things about that person came up which I didn't know. I don't know how. So many different good things about that person came up in my mind. And because of those things which I had written, I actually, when I saw the picture of the person, it was a very old picture, about 20-25 years back. So that picture, and I was feeling so nice when I was seeing that picture. There was no thought of anger, there was no thought of any, negativity. There was nothing, कोई नकारात्मक भावनाएं नहीं आ रही थी. I actually remembered again जो मैंने उनके लिए लिखा था कि हाँ, that is really true. मैंने आज तक इस चीज पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, पर अब मुझे जब मैंने लिख लिया, तो now every moment, right now also when I'm talking and when I'm remembering that person, all my good things about that person is coming up. All what I wrote about that person is coming up, and it feels really true. ऐसा नहीं कि just because I've written it's coming, या because मुझे बोलना है इसीलिए आ रहा है, but I'm really feeling grateful to that person for teaching me some of the best lessons of my life. And I'm really, really feeling very, very light today. Yes. So anybody else has any sharings? Thank you all for guiding me into it, because since I was telling you all to do, I've said why not me? I'm just saying why not me? And then I actually I actually gathered myself and I started writing, and I'm so thankful that I wrote yesterday. Yes, anybody else? किन किन लोगों ने किया नहीं ये assignment? If you haven't done, just write it on the chat. No. जिन लोगों ने
Happy
नहीं
morning,
किया.
Vandana.
Yes.
Forum here.
Yes, Forum.
Assignment करने के लिए बहुत सोचा, but there is not a single person I'm finding in my life. So I'm very happy that there is no one. I don't know how, but और अभी तो it's like कुछ ऐसा negative thought भी नहीं आ रहा है. Like every time you feel there is a one circle around you and that circle is keeping you happy. So वो बोलते हैं ना तो कोई गिला शिकवा आता ही नहीं है. So there is no
Lovely.
person.
Okay, so that's nice.
And I started my work.
Sorry,
मैंने
you
पहले
sat
बोला
down
था
to
ना कि
work. What
पेंटिंग
did you
नहीं.
say?
नो मैंने पहले बोला था ना कि पेंटिंग नहीं हो रहे हैं मेरे
हाँ
से.
जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So from 2-3 days I started my work and it's going awesome.
Very good. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
So say,
Thank
yeah,
you.
thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. So it's okay if you're not getting anything, maybe if it comes up, then just be thankful and you can write it down. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Sometimes our mind doesn't allow us to see things as they are. So, could be anything. So just be open for it to receive.
Okay.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yes, anybody else wants to share anything before we start our journey on our mental and physical health? See miracles in that area. Okay, no. Okay. Yes, yes. So if you
Hi.
have done, is there any sharing? How are you feeling today? How did you feel yesterday?
Hello, ma'am. Pooja
Yes,
here.
yes, Pooja, yes.
I also don't find anybody, any difficult relation in my life. But yesterday, a thing happened with me, like वो नेगेटिव थिंग था जो मेरे दिमाग में आया और वो हुआ, एकदम से आया और वो हो गया. At that moment, I had a
Okay.
guest yesterday for the lunch. तो मैंने फिर एंड में सबके लिए छाछ बनाया और आई सर्व्ड एवरीबॉडी इन अ कांच के ग्लास में मैंने सबको सर्व किया. आई गेव इट टू माय यंगर सन. मैंने उसको 3 बार टोका कि मेक यू हैव अ कांच का ग्लास है, प्लीज बी केयरफुल, प्लीज बी केयरफुल. एंड ही टोल्ड मी नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड एट द एंड इट स्लिप्ड फ्रॉम हिज हैंड एंड इट ब्रोक. एंड आई थॉट कि ये मेरे दिमाग में आ गया, मैंने बोला 3-4 बार इसीलिए ये हुआ है. मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आया उस पे कि उसने नहीं केयरफुल किया, मगर मुझ पे ऐसे हो गया कि मैंने क्यों बोला, ऐसा नेगेटिव थॉट मेरे माइंड में क्यों आया और मेरे माइंड में आया इसीलिए उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ.
Yeah, so it's a habit, हम हमेशा अपने बच्चों को स्पेशली we keep on saying कि this will happen, and it happens. तो ये हमेशा बचपन से अरे don't do this, you will fall down, आप गिर जाओगे, don't go there because वहां पे ऐसा ऐसा है, पहले से. So this comes from a strong belief. जो हमारे बिलीफ्स होते हैं ना, वो बचपन से आ जाती है और फिर वही बिलीफ्स को हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं अपने बच्चों में. So that's fine that you were observant and आपने ये observe किया and now you know कि आपके दिमाग में अगर आप कुछ और अच्छा बोलते तो वो हो जाता है,
वो
right?
हो जाता.
Yeah. So now you know that now you know how to use your words wisely. आप अपने वर्ड्स को, अपने थॉट्स को, अपने फीलिंग्स को कैसे आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. So now you can use it. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So now अगर आपको अभी कोई भी no negative person is coming. Negative मतलब difficult person मतलब कि उनके बारे में आपने कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ आपके बचपन से ले सकते हो, ये अभी की लाइफ का नहीं है.
मैम एक्चुअली एक पर्सन है जो मेरी लाइफ में, जिनको देख के मुझे बहुत, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैंने इनको क्यों देखा. बट
So that is what.
कैसा है कि आई हैव नेवर लिव्ड विद देम. मैंने उनके बारे में सिर्फ सुना है कि
ठीक
उन्होंने
है.
उनकी मदर इन लॉ के साथ ऐसे किया था. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने इनको क्यों देखा. इनको देखते ही मेरे मन में गिल्ट फील आता है. मैंने कल बहुत सोचा कि मैं कुछ अच्छा लिखूं उनके बारे में, बट मुझे जब भी मैं सोचती तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ऐसा करते थे, ऐसा करते थे, उन्होंने उनका ध्यान नहीं रखा. मगर शी वॉज नेवर रूड विथ मी. मतलब मेरे साथ कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट ही नहीं हुआ है कि मैं उनके बारे में कुछ अच्छा भी लिखूं या गलत भी लिखूं. बट
Okay.
पता नहीं, कहीं फंक्शन में, सेरेमनी में देखा तो मुझे उनके बारे में ऐसा लगता है मैंने क्यों देखा उनको, ऐसा हो जाता है.
So sometimes what happens is कि past life से भी हम कुछ memories carry करते हैं और वो current life में, because we all are energy beings, energetically हम connect होते हैं हमेशा किसी से भी. Right now I am talking several kilometers away from you. I am in Mumbai and you are in Ahmedabad, right?
Yeah.
So there we are so many kilometers apart, but energetically हम बिल्कुल connected है.
Yeah.
Okay, so like that, from our past lives also we bring in connections of the people जिनको हम we haven't been able to forget. कुछ ऐसे relations, कुछ ऐसे संबंध होते हैं. So could be और या फिर वो person जब आपकी life में आया तो उनसे आपको क्या सीखने को मिला है, that you
बस
can write कि
मैं
आपको
जब
आप
यही
ऐसा नहीं
लिखनी
चाहते हो
थी।
किसी के साथ होने, you don't want to behave like the way that person is behaving, कुछ भी, जो
Yeah.
लेसन आपको जो लेसन आपको लर्न हुआ
लेसन
है,
मिला
that,
है,
तो
मैंने
वो
फिर
आप
वही
learn.
लिखा कि मैं आपसे यही सीख रही हूँ कि जो जैसा करता है उसको वैसे ही भरना पड़ता है। तो मैं कभी मेरे इन लॉज या मेरे किसी भी रिलेटिव के साथ ऐसा नहीं करूंगी। फिर मैंने बस ये एक ही सेंटेंस में लिखा है।
Okay, so see if you can find more, because जितना जितना आप हो सकता है ऊपरी सतह पे आपको नहीं दिख रहा हो, and हो सकता है then something else will come up. There's
Yes.
quite, मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसे कि there's something deeper which is hidden in them. Since वो universe ने आपको उनको आपके सामने रखा है, because कल ही याद आए ना वो आपको, और तो
हाँ,
कभी याद आए नहीं.
नहीं।
So just sit today and see if something comes up. Be
Okay,
open
fine.
for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
sharing.
Yeah, sure.
It was a
Thank
lovely
you.
sharing. Thank you. Anybody else wants to share anything? जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया, what was the reason behind it?
Ma'am, Ishita here.
Yes.
Yeah, I couldn't write 10 points, but I could reach to like 7 or something. But what I was telling, like I get an angry feeling that is gone now. Like if I remember also, I'm like cool enough. I don't have that anger inside.
Lovely. So see if you can find those three things
Yeah.
more, or maybe more than that. And ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to do it yesterday you had to do. You can keep on doing. And if you
Yeah.
really feel that you're really feeling grateful to that person, or you can connect to the light to that of that person, बिल्कुल कुछ भी बिल्कुल भी negativity is not coming, then it's fine. Then it's okay. I mean. But if you feel
Okay.
thoda sa bhi, 0.001% bhi, then you just sit and write.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was lovely, na, after you wrote, because yesterday you were feeling quite negative about when you were reading.
Yeah. Yes.
That person will start now. Do you meet that person often or no?
Not so often, but yeah, maybe once in a week or something like that.
So the actual test will be when you meet that person, when you see that person, the person is in front of you, then how are you feeling? That will be your
Yeah.
actual test. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing.
you.
So happy for you. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Anybody else wants to share anything? अगर नहीं किया तो why it didn't happen was my question. Because I don't know. I mean, if you haven't done, it's fine. Okay. So lovely. Then who wants to read today's chapter?
Me.
Yeah.
I'm always ready.
Can you tell your name? Forum?
Ishita.
Okay, yeah. Lovely. Yeah. So nice. And it's nice listening to your voice. Your peaceful voice.
Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll screen share now. Yeah, so day 16, magic and miracles in health. So let's go deeper into this picture. Let's enter this picture with all our hearts, with all our awareness. क्या दिख रहा है picture में? What all can you see in the picture?
Some
Yes.
bottles.
Yeah.
And something written ulta, like mirrored.
Mirrored in, yeah. What can you
Mirrored
read it?
image.
Can you read it?
Magic elixir or something. I don't know what is that second word.
Magic, just try to read it.
Elixir. ELIXIR.
Yeah, magic elixir. Yeah. Yes.
What's elixir? I don't know.
So yeah. So let's look into the dictionary. What's the meaning of elixir till the time we are talking about it? So what else can you see? क्या दिख रहा है?
Elixir guaranteed to induce love.
Sorry.
It's a cough elixir or a potion guaranteed to induce love.
Wow. What an awesome So what? A potion guaranteed to induce love.
A substance held capable of changing base metal into gold.
Yes, lovely.
A medicinal solution.
What solution?
Medicinal. Medical solution.
Medicinal solution. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Cure all.
Cure all.
A
Yes.
substance held capable of prolonging life indefinitely and
Yes.
cure all.
Yes. Yes. Lovely. So, just looking into the meaning of this elixir, the word elixir. So, a substance held capable of changing, capable of prolonging life indefinitely, cure for all, potion guaranteed to induce love. That's so, so beautiful. And medicinal solution. So, I mean, what is that thing which prolongs our life? What is that thing which is cure for all? What is that thing that it's a medicinal solution? And what is that potion which guarantees to induce love? What is that potion? Potion, Potion. Potion is, it's a solution. So there's a lot of noise. Where's the noise coming from? Just take care of the noises, please. Is it coming from you, Ishita ji? Is it coming from your side?
No, I'm mute.
So please mute yourself, everyone. That's better. So yes, so now, so we are seeing these bottles in which there's some liquid, which is the magic elixir, and that magic elixir is what? Is the power, is the potion. What is that potion? The magic potion kya hai? Which is there inside the bottle is the power, the love, the gratitude, the power of gratitude, the power of love. So this so beautiful, na? It's that it's a potion guaranteed to induce love, and that potion is gratitude. Gratitude always leads us to love, isn't it? When we wrote about our difficult relationship yesterday, and we were grateful about that person, initially we actually had to deliberately say it, but then we kept on writing and we went deeper into it and we felt and we were grateful. So what was happening? Actually, we were feeling, and then we were not feeling, when we remembered that person, nothing was coming, which means that we were feeling love for that person. Maybe we are aware, maybe we are not aware. Love means not in the sense that we always think. Love is that something which makes us, which takes us to a space where we are, in an indefinite uh, happiness, in an indefinite joy. In there is a lot of compassion. So maybe you must have experienced these things when you wrote it. So yes, no, did you experience any of these feelings what we are talking about after you wrote yesterday's assignment? Yes, no, for those of us
Yes.
who shared, yes.
Yes.
Yes, so now the chapter is talking about, today's chapter is talking about, so it's actually very subtly, it's, pinpointing towards what happened yesterday. And because of that, now our mental health and even our physical health, we are feeling a difference. How many of you woke up today with a different feeling? Was there a difference when you woke up today? For those
Yes,
who had written the assignment.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, lovely, lovely. So let's understand now, before we start today's chapter, let me change the page. When we are talking of health, what happens, what is health? Health in the generic sense we mean is, we talk about our body. So agar koi pain hai, koi suffering hai, koi disease hai, the so called disease is when the body is not at ease, jab we are not feeling comfortable. So anything, so So first, when for the body, if anything comes in the body, let's understand this cycle very beautifully. Then you'll be able to reverse whatever comes in your body very fast and very quickly. So for anything that comes in the body, first it comes in the form of a thought. एक थॉट आता है, एक विचार आता है, जिससे या तो खुशी होती है, या चिंता होता है, या यू नो we become doubtful, or we become jealous, or we become envious. And remember when we did the rice experiment, for those of you who haven't done the rice experiment, you can I'll just send it to you or let me explain it to you, or I'll explain it to you in the end of the chapter, because then the link will go what we are talking about. So when for everything before it comes to the body, anything that comes in the body, it starts with a thought. थॉट्स क्रिएट, कोई भी थॉट आता है तो हम इमेज प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, या फिर वो फीलिंग्स होती है. सो थॉट्स क्रिएट फीलिंग्स, चाहे वो चिंता का थॉट हो, चाहे वो तनाव का थॉट हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रेस हो, चाहे वो जेलसी हो, चाहे वो एंगर हो, or it could be happiness, it could be joy. Everything creates a feeling. Thoughts create feelings. Feelings first travel into our energy body. What is energy body? Energy body is the body which is an invisible body inside, around, behind, above, below us. So we all are energy beings. अगर ये body को हम dissolve कर दें, which is a form, we have taken a form in the form of this body. So the original substance, मतलब जिससे हम आए हैं, that original substance is in the form, it's a formless form. There is no form. So जब हम उस formless form को imagine करें, that is our energy body. And we all are connected energetically. So coming back to our thing, thoughts create emotions. Emotions go into the energy body. And from the energy body, it comes into the physical body. So it takes about 6 months before anything actually comes into our physical body in the form of a disease. 6 महीने लगते हैं उसे energy body से physical body travel करने में. So when we talk about aura photography, which is from a Kirlian photography, जब हम aura का अपना लेते हैं, स्कैनिंग करते हैं, एंड देन वी सी डिफरेंट कलर्स इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. मतलब कोई बॉडी नहीं दिखता है, बट एक कुछ फॉर्म दिखता है, कुछ शेप दिखता है, कहीं पे अलग दिखता है, कहीं पे डिफरेंट कलर्स दिखते हैं. सो दैट इज अनदर साइंस व्हिच टॉक्स अबाउट दैट, देन दे रीड दैट आपको इधर इतने टाइम बाद ये होगा, दैट डिजीज विल कम, और राइट नाउ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू सम स्ट्रेस और some kind of you're holding on to some feelings. There's a different way to read that aura. But and of course there are some people who can actually see the aura of people with naked eyes. मतलब वो देख सकते हैं. So I remember when my son was young, till the age of I think 4 or 5 years, he used to see different colors around people. And at times I used to tell him that, okay, now see, because I used to understand that this color signifies this. So I used to tell him. So he used to see different colors, like sometimes he used to see orange, sometimes he used to see purple around the back of the head. And हम देखते हैं ना, हमारी जो gods and goddesses की pictures रहती है, उनकी चारों तरफ एक halo रहता है ऊपर. What is that halo? That is the energy body of our gods. So has everybody seen वो एक light रहती है, golden light around, or sometimes it is blue light, or sometimes it is purple light around the picture of gods and goddesses or our ascended masters? देखा है किन लोगों ने देखा है? Yes, no? Have you? Yes? Yes, no? No, if you haven't seen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yes. So that is what we are talking about. तो ये energy body हम सब में है, that energy body is there. So again, giving that example, that अगर हमने किसी को याद किया जो हमसे millions of kilometers दूर है, somebody sitting in US, somebody sitting in Australia, and you remember that person, then that person will immediately call you. and the most beautiful relationship between this energetic connection we can feel is between a mother and a child. So for people, for those of you who are mothers, or you haven't experienced this, you must have heard about it or read about it somewhere. That when you have a young child and you're feeding that child, supposing you've gone out somewhere, and the child is in pain, or the child is crying for hunger, and suddenly you'll feel that the milk starts flowing out. So that is the connection which we are talking about, because your child is hungry at that place where your child is. You've gone out of your home and your child is at home. So then then suddenly you realize, oh, that's my, I have to feed my child, and you go to your home. So that is what we are talking about. So that energetic connection is always there. And one more thing I would like to mention, that even when our parents are no more with us, even if your mother is no more with you, that energetic connection is always there. It is always there. So we can look into our lives now. We will not go deeper into it now. So when we talk about our mental health or our physical health, it always starts with a thought. And when we are and how do thoughts come? Thoughts come with whatever we see in front of us, whatever memories we have stored inside, or our belief system. So this book is actually, re-scripting your belief system. आपकी जो belief system है, आपकी जो धारणाएं हैं लोगों के लिए, अपने लिए, वर्ल्ड के लिए, जो belief जो आपके बचपन से which come from 0 to 7 years, our beliefs are formed from 0 to 7 years, from the time you are in the womb. उस समय से beliefs बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So our beliefs, they take us away from the truth, or it works, they work for our good, or they take us closer to the truth, or they take us away from the truth. So let's look into our beliefs when we are, reading this chapter. And remember, all the magic practices are working on your beliefs. जो हमने वॉल्स क्रिएट कर दिए हैं अपने चारों तरफ, हर एक मैजिक प्रैक्टिस उस वॉल को ब्रेक कर रहा है. Okay, so let's look into the chapter now. Let's read. Let's start reading. Please start reading.
Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Saint Augustine, 354 to 430. Theologian and Catholic bishop.
Yes.
Sorry.
So चमत्कार प्रकृति के विपरीत नहीं है, यह तो उसके विपरीत है जो हम अब तक प्रकृति के बारे में जानते हैं. When we look around in nature, the nature is full of miracles. प्रकृति में सिर्फ miracles है, सिर्फ चमत्कार है. And we can just look into, today in your one of your peaceful time, when you're really peaceful, go for a nature walk and look around the trees, the grass, the earth on which you're walking. Look at the sky, look at the sun. If you're going for an evening walk, look at the moon, and you will feel that, all this is happening. Look at the stars. How is everything happening in, ekdam step by step from morning to evening? There are so many things which change in nature. And who is making these things happen? Who is working on all these things? So then you will understand that miracles are not contrary to nature. And why? So whatever we see outside in nature, all the 5 elements, earth, water, fire, wind, and space, our body is also made up of that. That is the reason this quote, it's telling us to look into ourselves, that if there is miracles, if there is every moment there is change in nature, the magical changes are taking place in nature. In our body also magical changes are taking place depending upon our thoughts and feelings. Yes, please continue. Please continue. Have you muted yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to have our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness, problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depressions and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health.
Yes, so we all are born healthy. We all are born whole. कभी आपने ऐसा नहीं सुना ना कि ये डॉक्टर ने बोला कि this child is born with cancer, or this child is born with thyroid problem, or this child is born with high BP, or this child is born with diabetes. No, na, because we all are born healthy, and that is our birthright. Full health is our birthright. And why we become unhealthy? Because of, again, the thoughts, the feelings, the emotions that we keep on creating every time, and we keep on, getting ill, cold, cough, headache, stomach ache. We don't try to, look at our of take care of our mental health. The moment we start taking care of our mental health, our physical health will improve like anything, and that is what we are trying to do throughout this book. So this line was really beautiful for me, which are all states of less than full health. Supposing you have a headache, so instead of talking of a headache or a stomach ache or a lower back pain or a knee pain, whatever is happening in your body, from today onwards, my invitation to all of you is say that now, today I am feeling less than full health. Don't say that मुझे ये हो रहा है, मुझे वो हो रहा है, because when you are talking like this, it means कि आप you are complaining about your health. It's a hidden complaint. So now let's say like this, मुझे I'm less than full health today. Instead of talking what is happening in your body, because then you're giving, your focus is on that part of your, that part of you. तो वो फोकस को चेंज करने के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे? आई एम फीलिंग लेस देन फुल हेल्थ. आई एम फीलिंग लेस देन फुल हेल्थ टुडे. इवन व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी, इट हैपेंस ना, किसी ने फोन किया और क्या, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, और वी ऑलवेज हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ आस्किंग व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग टू एल्डर्स, आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? वी ऑलवेज आस्क लाइक दैट. यस, नो, वी ऑलवेज आस्क ना, when we talk, किसी से बहुत दिन बाद बात करते हैं, our near and dear ones, and we ask like that. We start, at some point in our conversation, we ask, how are you feeling? How's your health? So now we can, and then the person starts talking, oh, I'm feeling this, aaj raat ko neend hi nahi aayi, I don't know why, and I couldn't sleep only, and then the day starts, and then again you're talking and you're talking, and one person, second person, third person, again and again you're saying the same thing. So I'm actually remembering one person who is 92 years old. She's my sir's mother, my yoga sir's mother. And at the age of 92 also, she is taking yoga classes. And every time, she used to walk in, when we used to go to the studio, and, she used to walk in so happily, smilingly, and looking at her, we all used to feel, especially, I really used to feel motivated at look at her age. At the age of 92, she's coming, walking to the studio and taking class. And, even when she used to feel unwell, she used to, her knee used to pain, she used to, little bit, she used to walk like this, and some kind of pain, aches and pains in the body. And every time we used to ask, Auntie, how are you feeling today? And she used to say, I'm perfectly fine. I am completely fine. And her vibrant energy used to say that. It wasn't that, a body was saying something else and she was saying something else. No, it was in sync, whatever she used to say, her body was also used to say like that. So she always used to be in that happy, joyful, grateful mood. She always used to say, I'm really grateful. And believe me, it's not that she used to say, she used to live by it, because you can experience na the energies of that person. So always now, let's take for ourselves that every time, anytime, if anything is there in our body, if we are not feeling well, we didn't get a good night's sleep, or we will just say that I'm less than full health today, I'm feeling less than full health. Let's make this motto of our lives. ये इसको हम बिल्कुल याद कर लें. I am less than full health. Even if I have an something has happened in my eyes, or if what is going in the world today, if you have fever, if you have, you detected positive of COVID, you detected COVID positive, then just say, I'm less than full health, and see how every cell of your body will start responding to your feelings. Please continue.
Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracle stories on this secret website.
Yes, continue.
Yeah. Okay, I will begin.
Yeah.
Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you might have negative feelings about it, like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do that.
So yes, as we go further, we'll understand how to be grateful, how to go into that state of gratitude when it comes to health. But we remember, that miracles of healing, how it takes place. So we remember the Secret movie where we saw that girl who was having cancer and how she healed her cancer because she was watching only those movies and clippings and videos wherein, she was laughing, and, those, and she used to laugh, maybe half an hour or 10 minutes, and, she used to keep on seeing and, feeling when she was laughing, she used to feel joyful and happy and grateful. And that is what went into every cell in her body, and she changed the rewiring of her nervous system completely. And what she had put into her body by in the form of thoughts and feelings, now she actually changed them, and the cancer was healed completely. And also there was that one thing where that person had an accident, fell in a plane crash, and, every bones were broken, and when he was hospitalized, he just felt and experienced, and, he just brought that one thought in his mind, that I am going to walk out of this hospital completely healed, without any assistance. I am going to walk myself. And when he said this, and then he started feeling it, and then every moment he started living what he said and he felt and he thought, and then he actually changed. They show in the movie, and these are all true stories what they've shown in the movie. It's not that they have created for the sake of the movie. So if you visit this website now, what www.thesecret.tv/stories, you will see many thousands of stories like that. So it's not that, what we are talking is in the air. People have already experienced this. So if you can cure cancer, if you can cure the broken bones, you can join the broken bones. How? Because we have that intelligence in our body. Our body has that intelligence to heal on its own. So very basic things like headaches, stomach aches, loose motions, knee pain, lower back pain, these are very small things. These are very petty things that come in the body. Once you identify the thought behind it, then you will be able to reverse it very quickly. And the best way to do is to flow into that space of gratitude, because that is that magical power we have access to now. It increases the natural flow of health. Natural flow of health means what? That which we are born with, that is always there. And remember, our body always gives us signals before we actually are, before we actually feel very unhealthy. It gives us signals before. You have to understand and be present to those signals. And then at that time only, if you start feeling grateful, now we have the medicine of gratitude. We know how to do it. So at that time only, if you start being grateful about your health, we are going to learn how to do it. So then the magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. Matlab, whatever you're doing, it's fine, but with that, because we all have been doing this since childhood. It's become a habit now. Thoda sa sar dard hua, thoda sa cold and cough hua, just pop a pill. That's fine. I'm not telling you to not do anything. But with that, neither this book is telling you, not I, but not neither this book is telling you to follow that path, unless until you have that control and complete faith in yourself. But that will come with practice. That is why we are practicing every single day in some form or the other, these magical practices. तो जिससे हमें कुछ चेंज महसूस होगा, हम वो ही करने लग जाएंगे, उसी में हमारा फेथ डेवलप हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई हर एवरी पर्सन इज यूनिक. किसी को कोई प्रैक्टिस अच्छी लगेगी, किसी को कोई प्रैक्टिस अच्छी लगेगी, बट रिमेंबर, every practice is, you need to experience every practice so that you understand your body is responding to what. But only one thing is common in every practice is gratitude. Is shukrana dena, is being in that thankful state, being in that happy state. No matter whatever happens, let me be grateful to my body, to the divine who has given me this mind and body. There are many people whose minds are not functioning properly, and this one is one very thing which we keep on hearing nowadays, that I'm really stressed, I'm depressed. Even a child, or 13-year-old child will say, I'm feeling depressed today, I'm feeling low today, I'm really feeling, uh, I don't know how do they get these words from where do they get. I remember when I was a child, I didn't know what depression is. I didn't know what feeling low is. We all have to see it in our lives. Yes, no, did we ever experience this? And I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling low. Yes, no, everybody. कभी ऐसा feel हुआ था?
No.
Never.
Never. And we didn't know what is it. And now it's become so common. Every third person is saying, I'm so stressed. Life is so stressful. I mean, let's now join hands to change this thought process. Let's change it completely and eradicate from the world. When anybody is saying like that, just tell them, that be grateful for whatever you have. Your sane mind, your body, your powerful, fit and fine body. So just make them aware. Yes, please continue. So yes, we read till easiest way to do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Many people
also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there's something you don't like about your body, you're not being grateful for your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so, complaining about your body or appearance puts your very health at risk.
So
Whoever
yes,
does-
many of us feel now that I don't have a good nose, I don't have a good body, I don't have good eyes. My body structure is not proper, or I want to have this. Many of us feel that. So remember, whenever you're feeling next time, you remember that you are stopping the flow of good health. So let's stop thinking this way. Just be grateful of whatever we have. Whatever we have, we only are responsible for whatever is our appearance right now, and we only can change it. Yes, please continue.
Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body.
Lovely, beautiful lines. We all have been hearing these lines since the beginning of the book. That whoever has gratitude for what? For their health and body, that person, whoever does not have will, whatever he or she has will be taken from him or her. Or jinke paas, they are grateful for their health and body, mental and physical health. Then whatever they have, it will increase more and more, और healthy होते जाएंगे, और abundance होगा life में, and not only in that area but all the other areas of your life. Yes, please continue.
You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain, but if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain, but even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a pronged approach to accelerate the results.
Yes, so it's a challenge. It's a challenge when we are sick or unwell, and we might be thinking, ki, I'm in so much pain. How can in that moment I can be grateful for anything? कुछ उस समय तो बस कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता. Even a slightest stomach pain, and you look for ways how to come out of it. So that time, if you are grateful for other areas of your body which are functioning properly, then that pain which is there in the stomach goes, and it really really works. You can try it for yourself next time for anything that happens in your body. And now we are going to take a triple pronged approach to accelerate the results. What is that triple pronged approach? We're going to do a visualization, so we won't read all this, so I'm just going to we'll do a visualization on this. So are we all ready to go for this beautiful journey of in our own body? Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So if anybody can't hear, you can just write it on the chat. Just help me out. If you can't hear, if you can hear, then it's fine. Don't write anything. Okay. So I'm just sharing this. We are doing this visualization. Just sit quietly. Watching your breaths. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. You hear me clearly, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Lovely. So take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Exhale longer than your inhalation. Release all the negative thoughts, emotions, worries from your mind. Take a deep breath in again and a deep breath out. And one more deep breath in and a deep breath out. And continue breathing like this. Take deeper breaths, deeper inhalations and deeper exhalations. Be aware of the sound of your breaths. Be aware of the texture of your breaths. Be aware of the space from one inhalation to the exhalation and the exhalation to the inhalation. And now, go back in time and space and think about the great health you had when you were a child, when you were in school. How active you used to be, how active you used to be every moment. पूरे दिन आप भागते थे, खेलते थे, हंसते थे, दौड़ते थे, and आप हमेशा full on energy में रहते थे. And say thank you for that moment in my life. और अब आपको उस टाइम को महसूस करना है, उस टाइम में जाना है जब आप कॉलेज में थे. And how your mental health was. You were the most intelligent person in the college. And you used to enjoy every moment of your college life. Recollect those memories. Bring in those memories now and say thank you. Thank you for that moment in my life. And then you grew an adult. When you came out of college, you went into business, you went into a profession, and you got married. Think of all those happy moments in your life that time and say thank you. Feel as grateful as you can. It could be a small moment, a big moment. Just recapitulate, just recollect. सिर्फ उसे याद करना है अभी. And when you remember, your body starts speaking to you in a different way. A different emotion comes in your body and you start feeling differently. Say thank you. I'm so grateful for all those phases of my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my body. Thank you, my mind. And think about your mental and physical health now. You are able to hear and attend this session because of a good mental and physical health. Currently, everything is working well in your body. Think about your arms, your legs, your hands, your eyes, your ears, and all the internal organs. And think about your digestive system. How beautifully you can digest everything. जो भी आप खाते हैं उसे बिल्कुल पचा लेते हैं. Just be thankful for that system. Think about your circulatory system. And think about your respiratory system, जो आप अभी सांस ले रहे हैं और सांसों को महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो आपके respiratory system के कारण हो पा रहा है. Every cell of your body is being charged with this system. So feel thankful, be grateful, just be thankful. Say thank you, my respiratory system. Thank you, my digestive system. Thank you, my circulatory system. And whatever I have eaten, the waste is being discharged. The waste product moves out of the body. Thank you, my excretory system. And thank you to this muscular system because of which I can move, I can dance, I can run, I can walk. These muscles which are holding my body like this, these bones which are holding my body like this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Really, really grateful to you. Thank you. And now choose one thing in your body. Just choose that thing which is not in its happy state. You know, it could be any aches or pains in your body. It could be your knee pain or your joint pain or a lower back pain or, you know, a shoulder pain or a neck pain. Any pain, just choose that. Bring it in front of you. Bring it to the surface. Bring it to your conscious mind. And instead of thinking that I'm not in full health, just think of that ideal state. Ideal state means कि वो state जो आप चाहते हैं, जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया अपने चाइल्डहुड में और वो शायद आज नहीं है, तो आप वापस उसी स्टेट में आना चाहते हैं. So think of that ideal state. आपकी knees completely healed है, आपकी lower back completely healed है, आपके ankle pain यानी foot pain completely is healed. Think of that ideal state. जो आप चाहते हैं उसे ही उस पे फोकस करिए. Stop giving your energy to the problem that you have. Just think of what you want finally. Because energy flows where your attention goes. Energy flows where your attention goes. आपको अपनी attention को उस जगह भेजना है जहाँ जो आप चाहते हो. आप चाहते क्या हो उसे identify कर लीजिए when it comes to your health. Or you want to think beautifully. You want to be as intelligent as you were when you were a child. You want to remember things how you used to remember when you were a child. Just think of that ideal state. If you want to magically restore health in your kidneys, be grateful for your kidneys. Be grateful that they filter out all the waste products from your body. And keep on visualizing that ideal state of this part of this organ of your body. If you want to have a healthy heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in the body. अगर आप अपनी eyesight को improve करना चाहते हैं, अपने vision को improve करना चाहते हैं, तो just think of your vision when you were a child, when you didn't need to wear any specs, and your vision was so powerful you could see objects hundreds of kilometers away from you, which might be you're not able to see now. So just think of that ideal state right now. And give thanks to your eyes. And if you want to improve your hearing, maybe that's not the ideal state right now, but there was a time when it was. Remember that at that ideal state and give thanks to your ears. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfect, supple and agile body. Just feel that your spine is really flexible. There is no tightnesses in any part of your body. And just think of that ideal state. बस अपने दिमाग में उस स्टेट को महसूस करना है, उस स्टेट को लाना है, उसे फील करना है in every cell of your body. If you want to change your weight and you feel that your weight is not the ideal weight right now according to your height, just think of that ideal weight and visualize that next time you weigh on the weighing scale, when you take your inches, the measurement of your inches, it is what is your ideal thought. Whatever you've thought about your weight, it is that. And right now it is. So you are at your ideal weight right now. You are at your ideal measurements right now. Just think like that. And be grateful. Make it so real in your life. Make it completely real in your life. So now, when you do this, and the more and more you practice, you will become like a magnet as you use your thoughts and feelings to bring in that ideal state in your life, in your health, in your body, in your mind. Just remember one thing, that all the forces of nature which are within us are healing us. They are the true healers of any disease in the body and mind. The natural forces which are within us are there outside, and what is there outside, there within. So the prana which keeps on flowing inside our body is the true healer of any disease. And give thanks to all the natural forces of nature right now. Thank you so much. And now I will be saying an affirmation, and I would request all of you, I'm going to say that affirmation and then I will pause slightly so that you can repeat in your mind. And these are the most powerful lines which will change any kind of smallnesses as regards your health in your subconscious mind. So my body and all its organs are created by the infinite intelligence in my subconscious mind. It knows how to heal me. Its wisdom created all the bones, muscles, tissues and organs in my body. This infinite healing presence is transforming every cell in my body. And making it whole and complete. This infinite healing presence is transforming every cell in my body and making it whole and complete. Wonderful are the works of the creative intelligence within me. And just feel that every cell in the body is now functioning in its highest potential. And if you're feeling that, and then if you are really feeling it, then feel that energy flowing into that part of your body where you were not feeling at ease. That part of your body where you had chosen, where you were not feeling at ease. And see and experience the miracles happening in that part of your body. Knowing it to be true. Because the presence of the infinite intelligence is present in every atom, every molecule of your body. Feel the natural forces within, that light within. Feel every cell of your body filled with this light. That true that formless form, that one substance, that one original substance. And just be aware of your breaths now. The natural flow of the inhalations and the natural flow of the exhalations. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now, whenever you feel like, slowly open your eyes. So, yes, how was it? How did everybody feel? How are you feeling after doing this visualization of the past, the present, and the future, where you visualize your ideal state of so many things we visualized? How is everybody feeling? You want to share anything?
I'm Hina.
Yes?
It's so beautiful. It's amazing. मैंने लास्ट में अपने आप को मेरे ही सामने पाया, जैसे कि मेरी ही कुछ अंदर से निकल के मेरे सामने बैठ गया। फिर मैंने देखा तो मैं देख ही नहीं पाई थी, पीछे से इतनी लाइट्स आ रही थी, जैसे हम सूरज के सामने नहीं देख पाते थे, वैसे ही मेरी ही फिगर मेरे सामने थी और मैं देख नहीं पाती थी उसको। इतनी लाइट्स पीछे से, जो ऑरा बोलते हैं ना, वहीं पे मैंने फील किया वो। और
Wow.
पूरी बॉडी में अभी भी मुझे वाइब्रेशन आ रहा है, पूरी बॉडी वाइब्रेट हो रही है मेरी। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स अमेजिंग।
Thank you. So, so happy, so glad.
यस
Very
यस
good. Yeah. So be in this feeling. Keep on practicing more and more.
यस।
Because वो जो हमने आपने जो अभी महसूस किया ना हिना जी, that is the truth. जो हम ऑब्जर्व, जो हम एक तो होता है अपीयरेंस, जो हम देखते हैं अपने आंखों से, दीज फिजिकल आईज से, और एक होता है ट्रूथ। तो आपने उस ट्रूथ को महसूस किया, you actually experience that truth right now. So that's
Yes.
really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. There's a lot of disturbance. Who's not muted? Please mute yourself. Yeah, thank you so much. So very good, Hina ji. I'm really, really thankful that you experienced this. Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else felt anything? You want to share anything? कोई किसी को ऐसा महसूस हुआ उनकी बॉडी में कुछ पेन था और अनईजीनेस था और वो चला गया है, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am Pooja. I felt very nicely. I had shoulder pain right now. I'm feeling very nice, and I got goosebumps all over body while you were speaking.
That's so nice. Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So your shoulder pain is not there anymore. You can just
Right
move.
now, I'm feeling good.
No, just move your shoulders and see. Move back, left, right. Just move
Yeah,
and
I
see.
moved it while you were visualizing. We
Huh.
were visualizing, and I felt it really very nice.
Awesome, awesome. Lovely, lovely. So
Thank you for this wonderful visualization.
thank you so much for doing it. Thank you so much. Yes, feel good, okay? Lovely.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, some Uma has written same with me, feel good, lovely. Who else? Anybody else wants to share anything before we read the last para and today's magical practice? So why I did the visualization was because we all love visualizing things, and our body responds beautifully, which is not only our body, but our mind also responds beautifully when we visualize. We actually can, we connect with ourselves. Every part of our being we connect with when we visualize. So that's the reason I thought of doing this instead of reading. So now we have skipped all that and we visualize. So now you can start reading from here. If you want to magically, no, sorry, you can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day. From here you can read.
You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to. And you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want and by being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health other than taking good care of yourself physically is to continue to be grateful for your health.
Yes, so everyone has understood the ideal state ना, जो वो अवस्था जो that is ideal, बिल्कुल, मतलब कि everything is what you were, when you were a child, that वो पूरा wholeness you will feel, that is the ideal state. मतलब कि जो आप experience अभी कर रहे हो वो experience ही change हो जाती है आपकी. So as we just spoke few minutes back that हर चीज की एक appearance होती है और एक truth होता है. Ideal state is what, that when you touch that truth, मतलब appearance जो आप देख रहे हो वो कुछ और बता रहा है, लेकिन उसके पीछे क्या है, उसके पीछे जो सत्य है उसे आप एक्सपीरियंस करने लग जाते हो. एंड दैट ट्रूथ इज द आइडियल स्टेट. इट कुड बी, सो राइट नाउ वी टॉकिंग ऑफ हेल्थ, तो हेल्थ के कोई भी एरिया में, अगर again if you any point of time if you get a shoulder pain or a knee pain or a lower back pain or an ankle pain, or a elbow pain जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं टेनिस एल्बो और बोलते हैं वो रिवर्सिबल नहीं है, but all this is reversible now with the power of gratitude, with the power of your visualization, law of attraction. You're using that law of attraction, you're manifesting things in your life and you know how to do it now. So just be grateful. Just start with this. Even though initially आपको deliberately करना होगा, but now since you're writing your count your blessings every morning, you're doing the magic rock practice, आपने actual में you have taken a big leap into the magical world. आपने तो एक jump ले लिया है उस magical world में, उस एहसासों की दुनिया में, उस feelings की दुनिया में, जिधर सिर्फ happiness है, जिधर सिर्फ joyfulness है. And anything you can manifest now in your life, provided you are in that space of gratitude. आप शुक्राना, सिर्फ शुक्राना. Your language is now शुक्राना for everything, for every part of your body, for every part of your mind. जो भी है आप उस सिचुएशन को आप खुद उसे चेंज कर सकते हो. And now you have the magic, you have that power to do it, which was already there. वो power था हमारे में, वो power है हमारे में. अभी हमने उस truth को, उस सत्य को जान लिया है, उस truth को हमने touch कर लिया है, उस truth को हमने experience कर लिया है. And हम उसको experience किए हैं, मतलब कि we have touched that ideal state. उस ideal state से हम हमेशा, अब now we are functioning from that ideal state. So my invitation to all of you is that the best time to do and to start your day is when you wake up in the morning, when you are still in the bed, when you have not come out of the bed. Or some people, like earlier I had a habit of just, I never used to sit on the bed. I used to wake up and immediately start walking and start my day, because there were many things to be done before I could take my yoga session. So that was there always. So, or I had to go out of the house, I had to leave home at 6 o'clock. So that was my habit. Now I intentionally, I just make it a point that now I sit on the bed for some time, visualize whatever I want to through the day, or sometimes this, sometimes that. And now just feel grateful about every part of my body and mind before I actually go further. Be grateful about the forces of nature which are there in your body: earth, water, fire, wind, and space. These five elements which this body is made of. So just be aware of all this. And it doesn't take much time. आपको सिर्फ एक बार उस habit में आना है. And think of the ideal state, that how you want your body and mind to be, how you are looking at your body and mind to be. And we did the visualization today, na, ki, we all it's assumed that when we all were kids, we were into that ideal state, mentally and physically. And we can all look into our lives. We can all look into our lives. जब हम childhood में थे तो हम कैसे थे? When we were born as a child, you can look into your childhood. When you see your childhood pictures, you will see that every time there's a smile on the face, and that is an unconditional smile. That smile doesn't come कि किसी ने कुछ अच्छा किया इसलिए आप हंस रहे हो, इसलिए आप स्माइल कर रहे हो. That smile was always there. And so now bring that inner smile into your lips, into your eyes, into your ears, and keep on smiling every moment. You must have seen some people you meet, and there's such a happy energy coming from them. And they're always smiling. Even they don't know you, they will pass a smile. Especially when you go in the Western countries, the people there are like that. Even if they don't know you, they will just pass a very beautiful smile. So that is how, you let us all be like that, like that. Let us bring a change in ourselves. Each time you find yourself, Kine, you are frowning, yeah, you are not happy, and you are in a very low mood, and you're not what you should be, you're not into your ideal state, then just start with a smile on your face. And you see, the smile will bring miracles in your life. Just a smile. The other person who's there in front of you will also feel good, and you yourself will feel good about yourself. So the most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically we take good care of ourselves by doing so many things for ourselves. But other than that, it is to continue to be grateful for your health. जो मिला है, जो सेहत हमें मिली है, उसके लिए just be grateful. Yes, so now we read magic practice number 16.
Magic practice number 16, magic and miracles in health. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Third, think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one. Fourth, choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you so much, Ishita ji, for reading the chapter for
Thank
us
you.
beautifully. Thank you. So there are 3 parts of the today's magical practice. You have to, we have already done the visualization, but my invitation to all of you is that before you go to sleep tonight, please do this if you can, or maybe in some part of the day. Especially, try to do these magical practices, especially today's magical practice, when you are in that in between sleep stage. For all of you who take the afternoon naps, or maybe you're feeling very sleepy, or some part of your day you feel that no, I really need to take a nap, or I want to lie down for 15 minutes, that time choose these 3 things what we are just reading, that 3 separate times when you felt on top of the world, and you felt that your health was completely, you were whole, and give thanks for those times. Then 5 functions of your body जिसको आप याद करें और आप उसे thanks दें. We discussed respiratory, digestive, circulatory, reproductive system, musculatory system. जो भी systems आप उन्हें याद करेंगे और आप उन्हें उनके लिए grateful होंगे. And then very important, one thing from your body, about your body. This you can do early morning, choose one thing about your body tomorrow, day after, every morning, or maybe before you go to sleep, because the whole night the healing takes place. So maybe, before you do the magic rock practice, you can do this, or while you're holding the rock when you're sleeping, you could do that time also, because it's a good thing which you're thinking about your own body and mind. So then one thing about your body or health you want to improve, it could be something about your mental health also, huh? It's not that just physical health, it could be mental health also. So one part of you, which you really want to change, and you want that ideal state. Maybe abhi aap bahut emotionally you feel down, start crying very fast, and which was not there earlier, and suddenly you have discovered that about yourself. Then think about that part where you were very strong and you never used to cry on little things. You were not getting emotional on little things. तो वो आइडियल स्टेट आपको अपने सामने विजुअलाइज करना है, and you think that you have reached that state right now in this moment of time. Yes, because remember, time is, हम क्या लेते हैं, हम टाइम को लीनियर लेते हैं कि it's happening because of age. पहले मैं स्ट्रांग थी, अभी मैं स्ट्रांग नहीं हूँ. जैसे ये थॉट्स आने लग जाए ना, just think time is in a vertical line. Time is here in this moment, in the now. Just think that time is here. Whatever I am is here. हम अपनी स्टोरीज को बनाने लग जाते हैं. Just stop yourself there and there and think about your ideal state. That is what I feel, that this chapter is telling us कि हमारी ideal state हर moment क्या है, हम उसे याद करना है कि ideal state मतलब हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमारे focus को change करें. Shift your focus from what you are not wanting to what you are wanting. जो है उससे focus को shift करना है, because जो नहीं हम चाहते हैं अभी, वो भी हमने ही create किया है. There's nobody else who has created this. Only you have created with those thoughts and feelings that you had in the past. Now you are changing that situation, that ideal state in your life. It is all in your hands. Yes. So now we know how to change our current life by visualizing the ideal state. Yes. So now that's how we complete our today's chapter. It's really, really beautiful. When we talk about our mental and physical health, I really, really enjoy talking on this. So now if anybody has any questions before we end today's session, anybody wants to ask anything, any sharings? Lovely. So then we are all ready to end our session today. And before that, thank you everyone for being a part of the session. Thank you so much and have a healthy day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.